The construction of Mushin Train Station has brought a lot of development and exposure to Mushin axis of Lagos and its environment. In this video, I'll be showing you the Mushin Train Station, Mushin Overpass and Mushin Passenger Pickup construction update as well in this video. Firstly, let's take a look at the Mushin Train Station. The Mushin Train Station is part of the Lagos Rail Mass Transit Redline project. This Mushin Station is one of the standard garage for the Agbado Oyingbo Redline project. The Mushin Station is also part of the 37-kilometer rail for Lagos Rail Mass Transit project. The Mushin Station is also part of the 37-kilometer rail project for the Lagos Redline project as well. The Mushin Overpass is to decongest traffic around the Mushin axis to enable the train pass through easily and freely without any vehicular disturbance. The vehicle coming from Ikorodu Road through Onipan can connect to Mushin and Lagos-Abeokuta Expressway via the Mushin Overpass Bridge. While motorists coming from Mushin can also link Onipan and Lagos-Ikorodu Road via the link bridge easily and freely with lesser time. This Mushin Overpass will decongest traffic seriously around this axis after completion. The overpass will also pave way for the free flow for the train movement. As at the time I was filming, the overpass is still under serious construction. I will be updating you on the latest development about this project in my subsequent video. The Mushin Passenger Pickup stand is still under serious construction as well. Any passenger departing from this station will board the train at the pickup stand of the station to other destination. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and also leave a comment below. You can check out my page for other related content like this. Don't forget to also hit the like button. I will see you in the next video. Peace out.